Baby, I got money, don't you worry.
Okay, guys, we are on Rodeo Drive. I know you guys can't see it yet, but they had the streets lit up like Christmas. Oh, you guys see it now? Okay, we have Saint Laurent right there. And go. Paget, Amari. Oh, Ralph Lauren is across the street. That's where I would shop at. Yeah. Here's Ralph Lauren and Giorgio Armani. All the good stores are across the street. Balenciaga and Louis Vuitton is right here across the street. Louis, Balenciaga, however you say that. Okay. MGM, Chanel is also across the street for all the ladies. Now the ladies love Chanel. Now you ladies love Chanel. Here's Chanel. It's like that cheetah print up there. Okay. Oh, that's the Beverly Hills police officers. Beverly Hills cops. Where's Eddie Murphy? Where's Eddie? Eddie! Eddie! You treat me like animal. And Cartier's where the cheetah print was. That's Cartier. Okay. Green light means go. We will go. We're gonna have to come back here and do some shopping. The Rolex, another Balenciaga, Prada, Gucci. So it's two Gucci stores. There's another Saint Laurent across the street. It looks like there's maybe Dior. The big names is, another Rolex. It's like, I think like two stores every like big name, because there's another Louis Vuitton. That's interesting. Is it that much shopping that they need two every like high fashion place? Versace is over there, Jimmy Choo. We have Fendi right here. There's Versace right there. Jimmy Choo. All right, Tiffany and Company. All right. Wilshire Boulevard. I heard of this. Now, where is Kim Kardashian's store? Okay. I forget, what is the name of Kim Kardashian's store? Did we go past it? We might have, guys. Saks Fifth Ave is across the street. 2 stores, again, at Saks Fifth Ave. Oh wow, this is like a whole, Saks Fifth Ave has like a whole block, guys. From here, all the way back there is Saks Fifth Avenue. They have a whole block. Sassoon. All right, let's go. You guys can't see it, but Neiman Marcus is across the street. They're pretty good. Another Chanel. It's like, this is a pretty big shopping district. It's bigger than what I thought. I thought it would be something like the Magnificent Mile in Chicago, but this is huge. Okay, I think we're leaving out the shopping area now. Yeah, we're out the shopping area. Okay, so the shopping area was pretty big. I'll give them that. So what do we have here? Some clubs. Rodeo Drive. Whoa, type the camera down too far on that one. Yeah, all this is shopping. Nail lounge. Like across the street right here. Getting that. Maybe not. I don't know if I got that. I have to send the Chamber of Commerce. That's where the money is. See the money? That's where they're holding all the money. The Chamber of Commerce. This is where all, I guess, the state of California tax dollars are going. Right there. It's a commerce going on for trading dollars and commodities and stocks. I could be wrong. I don't know what the hell they trade, but that's what I believe. Guys, put it in the comments. Let me know what's going on in the Chamber of Commerce. Is it stocks, commodities? Are they trading dollars? Is it foreign exchange? What's going on? Please let me know. Educate me. And I'll educate you guys with the scenery. And hopefully I can inspire someone, anyone, to begin to travel and start seeing the world. So this is a pretty big world, and we need to see it. We need to get around a little bit more. Get out to our cities, out our neighborhoods, off our blocks, and see the world. It's a big place. It's a lot of things, a lot of happenings, a lot of going on. Some things we're okay with. I mean, some things that we just know about, and some things, and some things is I think they were harassing that lady right there that was walking. I think the police was harassing her. Well, I shouldn't say harass because I don't know the situation or what's really going on. But yeah, trying to fix this camera for you guys, so get it in the perfect position so you guys get a great view. And I think we're done with Rodeo. Okay, guys, chime back in for another episode of Dirty More Travels. I think I'm gonna film a little bit more of this. We rode through the Hollywood Hills, but it was dark at night, so we really couldn't see what was going on there, but we sent a few mansions up in the hills. It looked good, it looked nice. It had a foliage smell, like a lot of foliage. But other than that, it was nice. Maybe I'll come back in the morning and get some footage of the Hollywood Hills for you guys. Alright. What we do, we go. Where are we going? We don't know. But we go. Vamos.